Welcome to our channel. Using VPNs with Fire Stick should focus on privacy, not accessing illegal content. Follow these step-by-step instructions for legitimate VPN use. Step 1. Understand that VPNs provide privacy and security, but don't make illegal streaming legal. They encrypt your connection and mask your IP address. Step 2. Choose a reputable VPN service like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark. Look for services with official Fire Stick apps in the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Subscribe to your chosen VPN service and download its app from the Amazon App Store. Avoid sideloading VPN apps from unknown sources. Step 4. Sign in with your VPN credentials and connect to a server. Most VPNs automatically select the best server for speed and performance. Step 5. Use VPNs to protect your privacy on public Wi-Fi networks or when streaming content on hotel or travel networks. Step 6. Understand that some streaming services block VPN connections to enforce geographic licensing restrictions. This is their right. Step 7. VPNs can help access content available in your home country when traveling abroad, which is generally acceptable under service terms. Step 8. Never use VPNs specifically to access pirated content or bypass regional restrictions to watch content you haven't paid for. This violates copyright law. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.